Hello and welcome to another video tutorial for outrangehomestead.com, a website designed by Full Web Solutions. In this tutorial, I'll go over some of the steps involved in adding a new product to the website so that the product can be purchased by website visitors. So, without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and create the new product. So to do that, I am going to go to our famous plus new button on top. As a reminder, we used plus new post for recipe as well as blog post. However, in this case, we're gonna go further down and click on new product. So I can either do that from here, or if I was at the very back end, I can simply do that from products and I can add a new product. Both these methods would give me the same outcome. So I am going to use this approach and I am going to add a new product. So I'm going to give this a product name. So I am going to say this is, as an example, homeschool schedule template. So this is going to be my name of my product. At the bottom over here, I'm going to say this is a downloadable product. I'm going to say this is going to cost $19.99 and it's on sale for $14.99. You don't have to put a sale, you can just leave it blank, but I'm just going to show you how the sale works. I can add my downloadable file here. If I had a PDF, I can just simply add it here. So as soon as somebody buys the product, they would be sent the PDF file almost instantly. You can limit how many people buy this product, but typically you would just leave this blank. On the far right here, I am going to add my main product image. So if I click on that, I'm going to be presented with this product image media library, or I can simply upload new files if this is a new product. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to make it this. I'm going to select this as my product image. This is just an example. And I am going to add more products, more pictures for the product, I mean. And I am going to pick, again, this is just an example, but I am going to pick one, two, three. So in order to multi-select pictures, if I hold shift on my keyboard, I can multi-select in a row, or if I hold control on my keyboard, this is what you kind of want to do. You want to hold on to control and you can pick whichever images you want. Doesn't have to be in a row. I can add that to my gallery. If that doesn't work, you can always add one picture at a time, which would be, add one, click add to gallery, then add more, add to gallery. Again, this is just an example. I'm just using some pictures that are already on the website. I am going to leave this for now, product description, but I'm going to just use the product short description. So I'm going to say this is the product short description. And this is the long description. So I'm going to say long description as an example. I got my price, I got my pictures. Now all I gotta do is I gotta click on the category. So everything's gonna be digital. You can always add new categories. So you can just click on add new category. You can do that. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just gonna make this a digital product. I can add tags here. And once that's all done, I simply go ahead and publish it. So now the product is published. So if I go back to my shop over here, if I hit refresh, that product should show up here. So there's the new product that I just added. If I click on that, you can see this is the short description, and then the long description is over here. If you leave this blank, then this page would just be, this section would just be blank. If you click on the picture, you got the galleries, you can see different pictures. You can see if you have a product with different angles. If you want to zoom in, you can click on the magnifying glass and you can actually zoom in. Again, depending on what you're selling. If somebody were to purchase this, they would just go ahead, add to cart, and they would have that. They would simply proceed to checkout. And they would check out and they would put in the information. They would either pay by cash and pickup or email, and they would place an order. That's basically how you would add a new product and how somebody would actually go ahead and purchase the product. That ends the tutorial. Thanks for watching.